can't wait to edit this video because y'all, when that man sneezed 3 times to my sister's allergies. Booyaka, booyaka! Welcome to my channel! Beautiful outside. Look at that. Beautiful. Time to work. Y'all would put myself on camera, but I looks a hot mess. A hot mess. I'm gonna be making me some coffee today. We're gonna be doing spaghetti. So, I'm gonna get my favorite cup out. This is my mug cabinet. Mug cabinet. I love mugs. Yeah. This is my favorite room. Is that nice? A Keurig drawer. So I decided to go and put myself on camera. It's morning time. Oh well. But I hope everybody's doing good and staying sane and not going through so much anxiety. I went through some anxiety this week. But yeah. Making my coffee now. Oh. All right, y'all. She going out into the storm.
You should be coming with me. I asked you to come with me.
I'm good. I'm like people.
You need to get out, babe.
You
need to get out. Come on.
Nope. I'm good.
We still walking later?
Yeah, I'm gonna walk.
But so what I'm getting from the store? We got this. This is all we got. I got some more sauce.
We're gonna make us some quick spaghetti.
I don't know about quick. You talking about making meatballs?
That's gonna be good.
Who gonna make the meatballs?
You.
All right. What else we gotta get? We gotta get some minced garlic. What else?
Minced
Some more
garlic.
sauce. We're gonna start making our own sauce, huh?
Yep.
Yeah, so hey G, I miss you. Miss my father.
What else we need? What else we need, y'all? As you can see, we got Prego sauce. I like Prego. I'm funny about the other stuff.
Garlic.
Next time we're gonna make our own sauce.
Tomato paste. Bell pepper, onion.
So we need some garlic bread. More garlic bread.
Garlic bread.
And we're gonna do salad. Like we did the other day.
We can't do no big old kind.
The salad was big.
Big.
I ain't going out there, y'all. She can go out there. I ain't going. It's pretty outside though. But nope. Y'all can have it. Alright, she's back from the store, y'all. We got peppers, tomatoes, onion, spinach,
Cucumber.
pepperoni. We got some more of these, y'all. Oh.
Yeah.
I wanted the macadamia. Okay.
They were out.
Oh, okay. Got some garlic knots, salad mix and stuff like that. We got some breadcrumbs for our meatballs. Oh yeah, it's about to go down. About to go down. About to go down.
You gonna take a walk with me?
Yeah, I'm gonna take a walk.
Right? You going out today?
Yeah, I promise.
All right.
Okay, y'all, this is my first time out in 3 days. I don't want to be around people because people are
I'm proud of you.
nasty. I just have this thing, like, I don't know. I just don't want to be around people. I see people with it, I want to run. It's, oh, I heard something. I don't want to be around people. People are nasty. They do stuff. And then you hear about stuff on the news.
From my neighborhood.
About wait. They do stuff in the grocery stores and stuff. And I don't trust them. Now, let me ask y'all this question. Am I the only one? Well, we don't. In my house, we don't do it. We stopped eating out. We stopped doing takeout. We stopped it all. So if y'all still doing takeout, I mean, nothing against that, but I'm just saying we decided not to do it because we don't trust anybody with our food like that. So,
well, you know, you're taking a big risk.
Yeah. So, y'all like my glasses? I'm cute. But anyway, yeah, this is our neighborhood.
They're still doing construction.
Doing construction over there. So, I decided to take the walk. But, look at me. I just don't trust people. Anyway.
What trail you want to go on?
I don't want, I just want to walk around the building.
That defeats the purpose. It's like a minute around the building.
I know.
Come on.
Okay, how about we walk around and then go through there?
Go to the trail?
And then we go through there. We walk around and then we go through there.
All right, let's see what's going on with the pool. They're doing construction on the pool again. They're tearing it down.
I'm not doing it. Okay. Oh, truck. All right. Well, I guess when we get to the trail, I'll start recording again. Why people in the house? Why? Where are these people going? I need to know. Where are these people going?
It's not our nature to be in the house. You know how humans are.
I'm staying in the house.
Humans, you know, we like to move.
I'm staying in the house.
We don't like being confined.
Look, y'all, I think from eating all the food, I got a double chin. Something going on with the chin. I don't know. But we'll see. Ooh. There's kids over there. As long as they keep these 6 feet, I'm good.
See you on the trail.
Okay, y'all, we at the trail. Isn't it beautiful? Let me zoom in so y'all can see. Look at that water. It's beautiful over here.
At the trail.
It's still building right there. Y'all, the last time, I'll tell y'all the story. Y'all, the last time I walked this trail, the geese started running after me. I lost it. You hear me? It was me and my sister, my son, and my 2 nieces. And next thing y'all know, we were getting attacked. They were running after us. We started screaming and we lost our minds. We thought they was running after us, but really what they was trying to do was fly in the air, but they was running towards us. So we lost it. So I heard that sneak. I heard that sneezing. He said allergies. Fuck that.
Fuck that.
Ooh. Gotta bleep that out.
Pollen everywhere.
Yeah, I don't want to go on that side.
Just stop it. I'm about to sneeze too. My nose burning.
Let me know so I can be 6 feet.
You know what? You're terrible. Somebody left the sleeve out.
Y'all, you know, I'm not in shape.
And you worried about me
Why you
sneezing?
Y'all, don't pay that no mind. Y'all didn't hear nothing she just said. But look, y'all know, look, you hear me breathing? Look, y'all know I'm not in shape. This is a long trail. I'm turning around.
It's nice out here.
I'm turning around.
Hey, lady. Do I know you? How you doing this morning?
I know you. I'm talking to you. Please stay 6 feet.
6 feet away?
You supposed to say, like, you know what? Forget the 6 feet. Let me get 3 feet close to you, baby.
You got your Mac on, don't you? You got that Mac game down, huh? That's how Macs do, y'all. All right. We're gonna walk later, right?
No.
It's good for your heart.
I'm relax later.
It's good for your heart. We're gonna walk later.
Okay, y'all, about to make a cake. Got 3 eggs, some water, some oil. Put my own thing to it. Y'all, the cake is done. 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 Okay, now, y'all. Okay, I'm not sure if you see my last video, but I made a cake. Let me show you. Now, this is not. Look, let me just before I do this. This is not This is not me. I didn't choose to make this decision. This decision.
It was my idea.
See? Okay. So just want y'all to know. We're making cookies again. Sugar cookies this time.
Sugar butter cookies.
With sugar butter cookies. You hear her laughing in the back? Cause this is just not right. Like, it's not right. Look. Look at me. I could see the gain. Look at that. It's because of her. Y'all, I had no intentions on making cookies and cake.
You look good, though. You look good. She ain't gained that much weight. You know, she probably gained about 2 or 3 pounds.
What do you mean I gained about 2 or 3 pounds?
In your toenails or something.
Y'all, this is ridiculous. All right, so the cookies are done. Okay, yeah, we ate about 5 of them. But those are done. I'm about to ice in the cake. And then we are starting on the spaghetti sauce. And we're going to be making our spaghetti right now. Then we're going to do our salad and stuff. We're still waiting on the meat to thaw out just a little bit more. But, oh yeah. Speak having some spaghetti. Oh yeah. Y'all, the sauce ready.
We saute extra peppers and onions and garlic for extra flavor.
Oh yeah.
Alright, get some salt.
Just a bowl of the pepper and getting our water ready for the spaghetti. What did you put in it? You put minced garlic?
Yeah, minced garlic.
Olive oil?
Olive oil, black pepper, a little seasoning salt.
We don't do a lot of salt in this house.
A little biscuit.
Larry! Another salad for y'all. We got spinach. We got a mixture of spinach, regular tossed salad, tomatoes, cucumber, and onions. And we have our meatballs in the oven. Yes. Those the meatballs. We got them cooking, y'all. Got our spaghetti sauce. Pasta's done, y'all. Okay, y'all. This is what it looks like. Is my spaghetti and meatballs. I don't know where I'm putting it. I also have a salad. I'm ready to throw down. Doesn't that look good? All right, y'all. There you have it. I am done eating. Almost couldn't eat all my food. My son's in the back, so y'all excuse him. I don't know what he watching. But I'm gonna try to do a piece of cake, but I'm so full. I had cookies earlier, but I'm gonna try to do a piece of cake, but I just can't hang. I will continue my uploads while I'm in quarantine. I hope you are all being safe. I thank you. Please be sure to subscribe and give this a thumbs up. Please be sure to comment as well, and I do appreciate each and every one of you. I'm wishing you all the best out there. It's just one of those times, but thank you again. I'll see you later.